Hi, welcome to the Entrepreneurs Class channel. In today's video, we want to look at how to get Shopify for $1 for 3 months. So are you ready to launch your dream online store but worried about the cost? Imagine building your own Shopify store for just $1 a month. Yes, $1 for next 3 months. And in this video I will show you exactly how to grab this exclusive offer. So let's dive in. The first step is to sign up for Shopify. So click the link in the video description below to get access to this page. When you get access to this page, you will see where it says Start Free Trial, then enter your email address. So enter your email address, then click Start Free Trial. So after input your email address, there it open to a new page where you are add your password. So as you can see it says start your free trial, then get 3 days free and then 3 months for $1 per month. So just type in your password. So after typing your password, then click create Shopify account. So in the next page, it asks you which of this page describe you. I'm just starting, or I'm already selling online or in person, so just click I'm just starting. So when you click on just starting, then and ask you what do you want to sell. We can select from these options. It asks what to sell, product or buy or make yourself, then dropship product, print on demand, sell digital products or services. So for the case of this video, I'm going to select dropshipping product. So I select a dropshipping product, then click Get Started. So after clicking Get Started, then it asks us to select our plan. So which plan do you want to try? So we have 3 options here. We have Basic Plan, Shopify Plan and Advanced Plan. So for the sake of this video, I've select Try Basic. Then after clicking on the basic, it will open to a new. You can select by pay with the PayPal or select by pay with credit card. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to select pay with PayPal. So also if you can select pay with a credit card. Then after that, click on the PayPal. So welcome to the Shopify dashboard. This is dashboard. Now you can design your store in 1 seconds. You can add your custom domain. You can name your store. You can set up your Shopify rate. You can set up your payment provider. Then you can place a test order. So this is how to create a supply-free account, a free account, and $1 for 3 months. Continue to work to customize your store, add your custom domain, name your store, then set up your recipient rate. I hope this video has helped you on how to get a sub file for $1 for 3 months. Don't forget to like this channel and also subscribe to my YouTube so you can get more content like this.